Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So by the title you know that I'm going to share some lipsticks with you all. So if you haven't watched my last video, my beauty room tour video, okay, so in that video I think I shared some lipsticks I found like while cleaning my vanity area. You all might have used it already, but like I've got quite a lot of lipsticks in my collection, so yeah, I'm going to try feeling like decluttering them. Some of them, like literally I've got so many, so I'm not even using it much. So the ones I bought before, I'm not using it because like new ones always comes out these days. Like I'm kind of just using lip glosses and lip plumpers. When you apply lip plumper, your lip looks a bit plump. It does give that plumping effect. Like I literally love this one. I am currently using like all the time. I think I'm using it, but not today. I'm not wearing this one. So this is by L'Oreal. Literally we love this one. It's really good. It does plump the lip, okay, and this one is in shade Amplify. Okay, I think that's the shade name. I will write it here. Okay, this is really good. It does plump the lips. I'm like keeping this in my makeup bag because we use this all the time, and when we go out, like we take that one. So today I have used like this one. I think I've used this one. Yeah, this is by L'Oreal too. It's, I don't know how to say this, but I will write it here. Okay, I think I shared in my last video, the beauty room tour video. Like it's not completed, like whatever I'm doing I'm sharing with you all, so that you will have an update of how my room is at the moment. And like I literally love to change every now and then. So about this vanity which I shared with you all in my that video, like literally this vanity was broken, so yeah, we fixed it and I put it on top of another table, and literally I'm loving it. As long as it is okay, I will use it. But yeah, I'm like planning of buying a glass one. You all should subscribe to see more videos like this, okay? I love to share lots of things with you all, okay? So the next one I think is this by Rimmel. This is Oh My Gloss Plump. So this one is such a good gloss, like literally plumps the lips. I'm going to try these 4 lipsticks, and these are from Makeup Revolution, okay? I just love their, why this hair is here? Is there here? I don't know. It's just a mark there. Like literally I need to change my this thing too. I'm getting one from Shein. Literally I can't wait to get that. It's been shipped. So let's try. Okay, we'll try from this side, okay? First one is, we'll try test first. The packaging is so cute, literally so cute. You know, I just got this just because of the packaging. I'm not into lipsticks because I love the liquid lipsticks more than this type, but like literally like the packaging, that's why I got it, okay? Next one, and this one is test again. So I got 2 tests. We might try these 3 because I got 2 by mistake. I always add 2 things, you know, in cart when I'm buying. So this is velvet. I literally like this, like velvet colors looks really beautiful. And this one is, what is it called? Can you read it? I can't, okay? Do you all like my lashes? Like literally this is the normal lashes I'm wearing since like 7 days now. Literally they are so good, and I just did lash extension at home, and literally in my next video I will do it with you all, and I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. And I think I made a shorts video here on YouTube, and also I have like shared it all over my social media. It was a collaboration with Model Rock Cosmetics, so it was sponsored by Model Rock. Isha is waiting for that lashes to come. Like I literally ordered more lashes from Model Rock, and it came yesterday, okay? But if I'll tell her that it's been delivered, she will tell me to do her lashes today, which I don't want to do it. So I'm going to do it tomorrow maybe. So I'm going to like share with you all how I'm doing it at home, and it's like literally so easy. Anyone can do it at home. So I think I'm gonna do mine tomorrow, and also I'm going to do girls too, like Eliza's lashes. I did like I think 5-6 days ago, and hers one is still on. I do talk a lot because I love to share lots of things with you all. And let me find a lip liner. I'm using this Misfit by Model Rock Cosmetic. Like Model Rock Cosmetics are really good. Like their liners are really pigmented too. I have just learned a hack where you apply the liner on your bottom lip, and then you wow, it works. You don't have to apply it on top lips, just do like this, okay? Are you kidding? Like it's so nice. And then you can just adjust. I'm going to apply this. You'll get this much of product, quite a lot. Let's just apply here first. Wow, so pigmented. Do you like it? It's like not matte, so yeah, this is the color. I think I like it. What do you say? I think I like it. It's pretty, but I won't wear it during the daytime because like I'm that kind of person. Like I'm not like wearing lipsticks in the daytime, like especially dark lipsticks, and it doesn't go on your teeth, so that's good. To be honest, like it stains the lips a bit after wiping, because I just wiped with a tissue. You can wipe with a wipe, makeup wipe. So I'm going to try this one in the shade Velvet now. So it looks like this, and like same lip liner will work with this one too, I think. Let's check the color first. Okay, this color is like my favorite. Like it's so beautiful. Wow. I'm not going to like line the lips because it's already there, so literally this was one of my favorite colors, I think, and I used to wear this a lot. It's really pretty. Beautiful color, you can just wear anytime. Like I think this will be so good for all season. Like literally this is one of the favorite like kind of lip colors which we all love. I'm going to like apply, like this is the shade, okay, and this one is in shade Royal Rose. This is one of the favorite ones from Model Rock Cosmetics. Like all these lipsticks leave a bit of stain like after you remove it, so you have to just wipe it off with a makeup removing wipe, or like the way you want. Okay, so I think this is red, but I should have like applied a red liner. You should definitely apply a red one. Okay, so I should have applied this one by Model Rock Cosmetics. This is Male Rose. You can just apply this one. I did apply on top of that one because I don't care. Okay, so this is the color, literally beautiful. Who doesn't like this red? Okay, this is that very beautiful red. Wow, so pretty. See, like the color is a bit dark than on the screen here. Wow, this is just so beautiful. Wow, I'm doing like mugging like this. So beautiful shades, like so pretty. So yeah, this is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and follow me on all social media. Links are below in the description box, and until next time, bye.